concept of change management is very relevant. It has not been so relevant as it is today as ever before. And this whole conference is about how change management should be done in the sort of rapid changes which are happening right now with technology advancements and the competition of who is going to be the first in harnessing this whole technology. And that puts a lot of pressure on the organizations, that puts a lot of pressure on the employees, right? So how do organizations and the employees navigate this complex mesh of changes is very, very important, and that needs to be baked in as a part of strategy. And therefore, these conversations which are related to change management are super critical, and I'm so excited to be a part of it.
Great. So I know that you recently gave a talk about the importance of developing your own brand and sort of the corporate brand as well. So do you think that despite AI growing really quickly, the human mind and creativity is something that will always outlast this, and we'll be the one in control of what to do with AI?
See, we need to take this conversation with a pinch of salt, right? The thing is, I'm not kind of hinting at, a possibility of a doomsday, right? I'm at the same time not hinting at a world where everything is going to be green and rosy, right? So essentially it boils at the intentions that we have in harnessing AI, right? So right now it is within our control, and we need to kind of be very mindful about keeping that in that sense. And then therefore all of the regulations and how we kind of develop responsible AI, etc., becomes very critical. It shouldn't come as an afterthought. It should be a part of how we create, right? What are intentions behind creating this AI? Of course, there will be bad actors whose intentions themselves isn't very good in the current context, right, of the world situation. So how do we ensure that we safeguard our infrastructure, right, our business from such bad actors, again using AI? So it has to be a multi-pronged strategy in order to harness this AI as it grows on its own. Now, if you see, AI is more of kind of self-learning, right? So it grows on its own. But I think, it's just like you have a Ferrari, but you need to also have a brake in the Ferrari, right? You can't just run it let loose, right? So therefore, right, I think, you also mentioned about how we as leaders, right, how do we kind of leverage what we talk about AI, about our brand presence, about the organization's brand presence in this, is to kind of advocate for this kind of a AI growth.